Hey, welcome back again to another free software tips tutorial. So today I'll be showing you how you could fix DNS probe finish bad config error on Google Chrome on Windows. So without further ado, let's get started. So we're just going to close this one first and go to our taskbar and open up Task Manager. Once Task Manager finished loading up, make sure to locate all Google Chrome processes or apps by looking or scrolling down through the apps list and make sure that no Google Chrome process remains open up. If you see a particular Google app that says here that it's Google Chrome, just please select that process and click the End Task button right here, or simply right click it and click the End Task button. Once you are able to close everything up like what I have right now, you're gonna close the Task Manager. So next, go ahead and go to your taskbar and look for your network icon or Wi-Fi icon here. So simply right click it and click on Network and Internet Settings. Click on the Change Adapter options. You'll be taken to this particular page or settings. Just look for your network adapter or LAN adapter and right click on it and click on Properties. Look for the Internet Protocol version 4, select that one and click Properties. By default, you might be having Obtain DNS Server automatically. You're gonna go ahead and click on the Use the following DNS server addresses. Type on the preferred DNS server 1.1.1.1, and for the alternate DNS server, type in 8.8.4.4 and hit OK. Close this one and close this panel. Next, go to your Start menu, right click on it and click on Command Prompt and run it as administrator. If you are running other operating system other than Windows 10, go ahead and go to the Start menu and look for CMD and right click on the Command Prompt app and run it as administrator. You'll be shown with this kind of window and type here ipconfig /flush DNS. Next, we're going to type in net sh winsock reset. Hit the enter button and it will ask you to restart your computer and see if that would fix your problem. And it still doesn't work for you, go ahead and go to the Start menu again and look for Internet Options. Open up Internet Options and under the Content tab, click on the Clear SSL State and hit OK button. Close that one and see if Google Chrome is now working for you. So right now it's currently working, but if it still doesn't work for you, click on the settings icon right here and go to History and open up History. You'll be shown with this window and you can go ahead and expand this settings right here. Click on the Clear Browsing Data. Set the time range to all time and select everything here, including the cached images and files. It will clear all the browsing history, cookies and other site data, cache on your web browser. So hopefully that will fix your problem. Close again the Google Chrome first and open up again a Task Manager and be sure that every Google Chrome's processes are closed. Then you can now go ahead and relaunch your web browser and see if that will fix your problem. Another fix that we can do is simply going to the Start menu, look for Windows Firewall, and you'll be able to see here different settings. Click on the Firewall and Network Protection. Click the Allow an App through Firewall. Then look for Google Chrome on these apps. So you'll be able to see Google Chrome right here. Be sure that they are both checked for private and public. If you cannot find Google Chrome on this apps list, click on the Allow Another App, click on Browse, and then open up a Task Manager. In order for you to be able to find your Google Chrome executable file easier, you'd have to expand this one first and select any of the processes that are in here. Right click on it and click the Open File location. Then copy this address on the address bar and paste it here on the Allowed Apps dialog. Hit enter and will take you to the installation directory of your Google Chrome and click the chrome.exe file. Hit on open and it will add it to your list and hit the add button and make sure that again the private and public are checked. So hit OK once done and see if everything works out for you. So lastly, you could also check if any antivirus or security software could be interfering with your browser, if nothing of those work for you, because some antiviruses have their own firewall and security measures that could be blocking Google Chrome from working properly. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave your comments down below and like this video. And if you haven't subscribed on this channel yet, click that subscribe button and bell notification to get updated with the latest tips and tricks on this channel. So till then, see you again on my next video.